Situalia. Mm-hmm. So are you not? I think I'm going to interview. I'm not going to upgrade. From your personal point of view, how would you say that? Yeah, oh my god. Why are you asking me this question? Oh my god. I think I'm up to you. Why don't you like me? Please, all people have been attacking me for that. Oh, people are asking, oh, Felipe Medina, will man this? Oh, I mean, I had a dispenser in that house as well. But still, man, dispense actually. Guys, I can wear it in. No, I'm not the file. Where? I can wear it. I think I'll be okay. I just feel maybe the fact that I'm not showing people. You're saying I feel like I'm broken. You're saying I feel like I'm going through something. I keep on saying I'm not so good at camera. Like I'm not so good at showing my emotions on camera. I feel in relationship, whether it's an ex, whether it's a previous ex, or whether it is even in friendship, whoever I will break up with, and whoever I cut connection with. I don't feel the urge of wanting to discuss it publicly. So yeah, how am I doing? I think so far God's grace has been sufficient. God has carried me through, honestly. Ni God. And yeah, ni God. The situation is not like very but like already for let's say but I feel like I'm already started. So that is why I'm so we just say that hey inside them. Let me tell you. I feel like everybody has an opinion of what they think about me because they are judging me from what they are saying, of which I don't even blame them. Because ukikuta tunaonyesha kwa hivi na hivi na hivi, we judge you from how we are saying no. But my close friends, you guys know. Okay. My close friends, both of my close friends, they know definitely the situation. But yeah, I'm struggling, I'm suffering. Then I'm doing this for me. For me, it's part of my healing journey. I feel like another something for myself. So it feels so good. Honestly, I feel good. Yeah. So I was thinking about dealing with it, about fighting and whatever drama. No. But anyway, you're allowed to judge it for you. It's allowed. Yeah. So the fight is here. And raise sufficient. And raise. Actually, guys, hold on to next woman. Let me tell you, when she came here yesterday, the first question she asked me, how is it living alone, Grace? But I feel living alone is slightly different alone. Like, in as much as people see me going out, hanging out with friends, I'm an indoor person. I love being alone. I enjoy being alone. For real. I try to just be alone. So, kuna even ambaye tukaanza na kuna feel like kuna sometimes juzi TV imenisumbua. I didn't know how to operate the TV. And I'm like, guys, if I had someone else in the house and the passion to just tengeneza TV. But other than that, I was just sitting a day at a time, and I think so far, we thank God because I think guys, if there is something I beg God for, guys, I beg God to heal my heart. Would they pick up place and you're begging God to heal you and to give you peace and to give you grace, and God did exactly that. So, nothing, despite everything, grace has carried me through. For real. God has very spared me. Surround us with a very space. Yeah. Like I lock the doors and I'm putting a padlock. Everywhere is locked. Like, yeah, God. God is guiding and covering us. Yeah. Think about so yeah, you're receiving both love and hate on you. It's bringing you down with some of the comments. Okay, let me tell you. How I keep the situation. In as much as people love being online is a space that is so It can be 12 weeks at a time. It can be too much. It can be overwhelming. You need to grow a thick skin. And let me tell you, it's been 2 years being online, and I have never grown thick skin. But like some words, it still hurts me. Like some things it still, nothing is really water. Everything is still hurts me. But I think what matters is me knowing my truth. Like I know my truth, and that's all that matters to me. Like I know my truth. I don't need to explain it to anybody. I don't need to tell anybody what happened. I don't need to say ABCD kulienda kukashuka kukafanya. I know my truth, and that's all that matters to me. Honestly, that will give me energy and strength of that. Well, I know what I give is valid for me, and that is all that counts to me. Like I know my truth, it's enough for me. But thank you for the love and thank you for the hate. Either way, we all have to build. Like it builds, which makes you stronger, and I do appreciate you all, Sana. Thank you for how you receive this. Yeah. So yeah, it's whether it's weighing me down, not like weighing me down, Sana. But will I cry over some comments? Yes, I will. Will I hurt over some comments? Yes, I will. It's normal. Like you meet them and they're going to hurt you. Even if you're avoid. But again, each day you wake up to remind yourself, grace, you know your truth, you know why it happened, and God is your witness, and God is giving you strength to walk through this. So yeah. I should document my healing journey. Happily, please. No. You know, people think it is okay to cry, it's okay to hurt. So what for there is this other side in your phone. Can you tell me kama kuna mtu siwezi kaa chini hivi nizuie kwa camera. I can imagine for myself in sawa. Like what you publicly, I wouldn't. Honestly, I don't think I have the. I don't have to take my weakness. Like I don't have to, because people attack what you give them exactly. So I can't give that weakness publicly. Honestly, I can. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. What is it like? What do you think? Like, wow. Do you think it will affect your relationship with friends? Seeing them being friends. Do you think you're ready to like speak? Like on defense of your friends, because you're always on your friends. The community. Oh my God. I want to understand, like, do you think that will make your friendship change? Actually, I feel like first to answer that, I will answer it with all honesty. Maybe I'll not give details, but number one, I will say this might sound maybe rude or inappropriate, but I just say number one, actually, honestly speaking, I'm not a child. I can't be coerced into doing something that I don't want. Like, how can I tell you leave your marriage, and I'm in marriage? Like, how can I tell you leave? After yako, ebu mwache. Na wewe mwenyewe unafeel uko happy, you are driving it. We come and tell you to have a relationship, no talking. You know. But again, I don't want to answer that question. I know, like, I've been receiving this comment of, oh Grace, it's time you protect your friends. Oh Grace, it's time you defend your friends. Your friends are actually one and those is ABCD. But honestly, personally, I think one thing I think I thank God about my friends, they are the most supportive people I have in my circle, and they love me genuinely. Me, I think I have experienced true love through my friends, and even in this episode, come back now, Grace, imagine these two shall pass. It's my friends. Like, in as much as it hurts me that they're being attacked online, in as much as it hurts me that so much is happening, in as much as it hurts me, my heart is being triggered to talk and say too many things, these two shall pass. It's a season and things shall pass too. Recent love. Listen, I'm a lover girl for real. I'm a lover girl for real. People are saying I'm not a lover girl. I am. How I do. Me, I don't like publicity. Me, I don't publicize it. Yeah. Okay, so give an advice to a fellow listeners. You have been actually for 4 years. Actually, 4 years. May just secure which field. Oh, they are China pia. They are China, mnasema Constance. crying is constant, feeling miserable, it's constant, feeling like you made a mistake, it's constant, feeling like you want to go back, it's constant. They are all constant. They don't change. Like in all your relationships, you're going to regret the decision, you're going to regret moving on, you're going to regret when they leave, you're going to want to go back, you're going to cry. It's all constant. But look for a healing mechanism that works for you. If it's therapy, if it's counseling, if it's talking to someone, if it's hanging out with your friends, to make it easier on you, look for a mechanism that works for you. So trying in wako matadawa. Lakini wewe guys, stop DMing hapo. No, those not easy stuff. If they're one of my friends, come up with a yangu who doesn't filter and they're tough. No. I'm not going to answer your question anymore. With the child, the mask is in the oh my god. Oh, Diana. I have been saying that you have been bring back my intro. I think I'm going to bring it back. I think I will bring it back. No. I think Diana though will finish Kasana. I think I'll think about it. I think maybe I'll have to still consult the other party because the song belongs to him. But we'll think of something just to bring back the intro. I think I will have more questions. I think I'll put a song and consult the other party and then just ask them because you know enemies, we don't see each other every day. We don't see each other as an example. Oh, I don't want to see him. I can't do what we don't hate each other. It's so respectful. So I think I'll consult to wonder whether we can bring the song back. Yeah, so let's. Why are you laughing?